One of the staples of design when putting a space together is color. A neutral colored sofa, such as white, cream, or gray, are popular bases to build on. However, blue is another neutral that is often overlooked. In this space, we started with a blue leather sofa to anchor the room. The matching end table and coffee table create a cool aesthetic, and the pair of bookshelves add lots of functional storage. The neutral rug with its blue accents reflects the blue in the wall art and the various accessories in the room. The addition of gold accents found throughout the space helps tie everything together, display a bit of glam, and brings a unique sparkle that really catches your eye. Having a place to work and plan is a staple in many rooms today, and we've added a small desk, chair, and extra wall art to help integrate this space. As always, you can find everything in this room and more at American Furniture Warehouse.